Hello friends, welcome to my Deep Electricals and Electronics YouTube channel. Today I will show you the unboxing video of Exide Solatubular C10 battery, where the battery contains along with these accessories. So let's see the full video. Here you can see in this thermocol the screws, the tight screws, connecting screws, or the floating indicators, and you can see the looking of this battery. The battery is almost 75 kg in weight, which is heavy, and it comes with 5 years or 60 months warranty. You can see the battery clearly. It is very good in design, and you can see here the 60 months warranty is written along with its model number. It is a 200 ampere hour battery, and it basically uses for solar application only, as the solar inverter charges the battery very quickly. So that's why the C10 is written is here, as it shows the charge and discharge rate of this battery, of these solar batteries. Here the 200 Ah battery is divided by C10 equals to, it has 20 ampere charging rate or 20 ampere discharging rate. But on the other hand, the normal batteries are C20 rating, as it has 10 ampere charging rate or 10 ampere discharging rate, which is very slow as compared to solar application, and its plate chemistry also a little bit different from solar to normal battery. So friends, here you can see I will connect the water level indicators on the battery to see the water levels of these different cells. And always mind it friends, always top up your battery's water in time. So that's why the water level indicators are very important to see the levels of the water. And friends, the battery almost I have used 6 to 7 months till now, and it is working very fine, very fine. And I have bought this battery from Exide authorized distributor on offline, and with a price of 17,000 only, and it gives a satisfactory backup. So that's it friend for today. Later we discuss about its pros and cons and many other, along with my setup video also. I hope friends you have enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please press like button and share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching friends.